Remarkable too, where you can like write on it and it's thick and it's big and they can see it if you show it to them. But also you can upload your notes directly to your computer. You're for it, you're against it. What do you think?
Okay, you're gonna hate my answer.
You don't like it, but tell me why.
I'll tell you why, but I'm just paranoid. Like I hate long weekends because I'm so damn passionate about sales, and maybe I'm overly paranoid. Remarkable too, it looks like a notepad, it's great, you can write, and then the cool thing is you can upload. Here's the problem that I have found. Anytime technology is involved in a conversation with a client or a prospect, they pucker up and like don't share the good stuff. And I believe my hypothesis is they're like, where is this going? Like the silent killer that I have seen so many sales professionals do is, and it's like they got the new gold MacBook, right? And they just want to show off their new laptop. The minute they open up that laptop, right, and start typing, is two things happen. Number one, the person's like, okay, well, show me your stuff, right? And then it just becomes a sales pitch. And number two, the person does not talk about numbers, top line revenue, what's freaking them out. But if you have a pen and a piece of paper, it's like you become Sigmund, I don't know if this is a good example because I don't know that much about Sigmund, but it's like you become Sigmund Freud and you're like, tell me about the last time that Sigmund Freud doesn't sound like that. You lost an employee, right? I just had a curiosity, how much does that cost you, right? So I would stay with the low-tech paper because I think people are more likely to give you information. Now, I might be able to solve your problem, okay? And that is this. I don't think you need to upload all of your notes. I think most of your notes can go in the trash can after the meeting because you're going to write a power email. Current situation, capabilities needed, next steps. And that's going to synthesize everything from your notes. You don't have to remember every single detail if you remember the goalposts. Like the goalposts might be top line revenue. Where are they at right now? Where do they want to be? Right? The goalposts might be 2 or 3 areas where they need lift. All of that could be hand typed. You don't have to verbatim get all that chicken scratch from the notepad into a CRM because if you understand like what are the goalposts for all of your deals, and they're all going to pretty much be the same, like what's the lift, you're going to be able to put that into a document like a power email that's going to summarize current situation, capabilities, and you told me you could blank if ... And it's going to be the same stuff on most of your deals. Does that make sense? Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.